What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming back with a cooking video. Today we're going to be making chicken carbonara. It's one of my favorite Italian dishes. I love white sauce, so I love chicken carbonara. I mean, I went to the store, I bought this stuff, and I figured, you know what, let me record something because I did the one cooking video the one time and that was it, and I always wanted to make more, but it takes a lot to record. It takes a lot to set up your thing and, you know, say this is what I'm going to be making. But anyways, I'm going to be showing you guys the ingredients that I'm going to be using for this. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, you guys, so here are the ingredients. This is what I use to make my chicken carbonara. I like to use chicken. Usually I do chicken and shrimp, but I didn't feel like getting shrimp, so I just got the chicken. This is bacon. You need bacon for this dish. Onions, salt, pepper, half and half, and Parmesan cheese. And of course, you're gonna need your noodles. For the noodles, you can use whatever. I have used the elbow macaronis, like whatever you feel like eating at the time. But today I got the spaghetti kind. It's up to you, whatever kind of noodles you want to use for them. It's gonna taste the same either way. Yeah, I think that's it. And I also got some breadsticks, of course, because you know, need breadsticks to eat any kind of Italian food. But yeah, that's it. Let's get cooking now. I think that's it for the ingredients. Oh, and by the way, I know you guys might think like, oh, salt and pepper, that's it. Like, listen, I know, I'm Puerto Rican, so we cook with a lot of seasoning. But one thing that you don't have to do all the time is put mad seasonings in everything. Sometimes just a little bit of salt and pepper will do. Let the food marinate and create its own flavors and stuff like that, okay? So yeah, just salt and pepper, that's all you're gonna need. Okay. Oh, and you can also add Italian seasoning if you like that. But that's all I'm using today, I think. Alright, let's get cooking now. finished product. I'm gonna serve this with some, sorry. I'm gonna serve this now with some garlic bread, and yeah, it's gonna be all gone. So good. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. And like I said before, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.